Good morning, students. So, students, we will continue with this chapter 11 of history, the national movement of India from 1970s to 1947. So, today's our topic is about the Ilbert Bill, right? Which bill? Ilbert Bill, and in 1933 means which passed in 1933, and it was introduced by the government. So under the British rule, Indian judges and magistrates, they were not allowed to give judgment in cases involving Britishers. The Ilbert Bill that was passed in 1883 provided for the trial of the British or Europeans by Indian judges. The bill sought to abolish this discrimination between the Indians and the Europeans. The bill sought to bring equality between the British and the Indian judges. Earlier, Indian judges could hear cases involving only Indians. Okay, before that, when this bill was not passed, before that, Indian judges they hear cases only Indians cases they could hear, and the European judges they commissioned to hear the cases of Europeans. So this was the difference between the Indian judges and the European judges. So the bill sought to do away with discrimination. It means after passing the bill, there was no discrimination between the judges of the Indians or the European. So could be judged by the Indian judges. However, there was a furor over the bill by the British. Means after that there was a anger. Okay, that was by the British and the opposition from the whites. Means Britishers they were not in the favor of this bill. They forced the government to repeal the bill. They forced the government that whatever the bill that was passed by the government that was not valid. So now the Indians, especially the educated middle class, were convinced they needed to organize themselves in order to voice. After that, the educated middle, political leaders or some educated people, they just started raising their voice and raising their voice and in their opinions and grievances in united manner in a unified way. So what happened in 1866, Dadabhai Naoroji he formed the East Indian Association in London. Right, when he formed this association in London, at that time he just explained, he was the first economic thinker and he explained and showed all the thing to the Britishers that why the India became very poor country, right? Why? Because India that was exploited by the Britishers, right? And that is why the all the wealth of the India that was drained. So the other association that founded were the Indian Association in July 1876, means the number of the formation of the political organization in India. For example, like the Indian Association in July 1876, Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose, Justice Ranade, and the other organized the Purna Swarajanik Sabha, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, the Bombay Presidency Association that formed the Mahajan Sabha in 1884, then Firoz Shah Mehta and Badruddin Taibji formed the Bombay Association in 1885. After that, many of these associations were named after the place of their origins, and their goals was not restricted to a particular region. It means that their goal was same, their objective was same, their agenda was same. That it means that included every region, community, and class. Means no discrimination at all, including it is it was including all the religions, all the community people, all the class people, right? So these leaders were of the idea that the people should be sovereign, right? Sovereign, the meaning of sovereign, it is given below here, a state which is independent of outside influence, right? Sovereignty, this is the meaning of the sovereignty, means which is not dependent on other country, which was the main feature in the idea of nationalism, right? So how they could not gain a all India approach. So now many of these associations were religion in character. They were national in outlook, helped in the growth of political consciousness among the masses. So most of these organizations were led by English educated professionals, especially lawyers. Right. So I hope you have understood about the Ilbert Bill. Thank you, students.